Cleaning the dishwasher. Cleaning the filters. Remove the lower rack and position the bottom spray arm so a wider view is open to the front. Accumulated debris on the filters. It is to prevent particles of food from getting on the inside. Turn the inner filter counterclockwise and take out the assembled inner filter and stainless steel filter. Clean the filters with a soft brush under running water. Reassemble the filters before reinstalling them. Remove any particles of food on the inside. Clean the interior of the dishwasher with a soft, damp cloth or sponge to remove food and dirt particles. Fit the filters back into the filter holder and secure them by turning the inner filter clockwise until it clicks in place. Run the rinse cycle without dishes. For best wash performance, clean the filter after each load. If food debris remains in the filter, it may cause an odor. Cleaning the spray arms. If the spray arm holes are blocked by any food residue, dishes may not be cleaned well due to improper water spray. Remove the upper spray arm by turning the nut on the bottom of the spray arm by turning counterclockwise 1/8 and pulling down. Remove food particles by rinsing and shaking the spray arm. If any food residue blocks the spray arm holes, remove it with a pin or an appropriate sharp tool. After removing the food residue, clean the spray arm holes under running water. After cleaning the upper spray arm, press it up into place. Turn the nut clockwise 1/8 to make sure that the nut locks back into place. After assembly, check whether the spray arm rotates freely. Make sure the water jet holes are not blocked by food particles. If any food residue blocks the spray arm hole, remove it with a pin or an appropriate sharp tool. To avoid breaking the variable angle spray arm end sections, do not pull or manually rotate them. Cleaning the interior. Food residue may be stuck in the narrow gaps inside the dishwasher after a cycle is complete. Wipe off all food residue. Dishwasher cleaner and deodorizer. Use dishwasher cleaner or deodorizer to remove any odor. For additional information about installing or usage, refer to the owner's manual. Do not obstruct the rotation of the spray arms. Using white vinegar or citric acid. Using citric acid. Remove all dishes, cutlery baskets, and cutlery basket holders from the appliance. Measure 3 tablespoons, 1.5 ounces of citric acid powder. When using the citric acid, fill main wash compartment with measured powder and run an auto cycle. To use white vinegar, pour approximately 7 to 10 ounces of white vinegar into a shallow bowl and place in the upper rack. Do not pour white vinegar directly into the base. Excessive use of vinegar may cause damage to the appliance. Run the auto cycle. Do not use any detergent. When the cycle is finished, restart.